Hello and welcome to another interesting programming section. So in this section we'll learn our very basic Java program. So every programmer across the world they start with a interesting program called as Hello World. So let us know how we can develop Hello World program. So I will develop this program using Java. So for that we need to develop a Java class and we should have a main method in that class. We need to write a print statement, and finally we need to save the program and we need to run the code. So this is a hello world program, and you can see line number 3 hello world written here in this blue color. So this is a class, and line number 5 is called as a main method, and line number 7 is a print statement. So that contains the statement hello world. So you will know in detail, so what is a class, what is a main method, what is this print statement stands for, and in detail you will know later. So for time being, so let us know how we can develop this very simple program and we can run it and we can print hello world in the console. So let us go for our next section. Well, so before you start with developing this program, you should have JDK installed in your system. So for that you need to navigate to Oracle website, oracle.com/java/technologies/downloads, then /JDK, and here is the based upon the version, this will be the URL, and you can search in Google for JDK download. You can navigate to this Oracle link. So this is the Java download page, and you can see I am in the section of Java SC development kit, and here you can see based upon your operating system there will be the JDK version will be available. So this is for Linux, this is for Mac, this is for Windows. So I have installed it for Mac OS. You have to install based upon your operating system, and we need a IDE to develop our program. So I will be using Eclipse here. So for that you need to navigate to eclipse.org/downloads, and here we go. So I am using right now the latest version of Eclipse, but I will suggest always you should navigate to the previous version of Eclipse, which is the most stable version. So generally rather than using the latest version, I recommend you guys to use the previous version so that it will be more stable. So if you install JDK and if you install Eclipse and you will open the Eclipse, so this is the layout. So let me remove my existing program so that I can show you from scratch. So once you install the JDK, then only this Eclipse will work for Java. Then once you open the Eclipse, you can see this package explorer screen will be displayed by default, and we need to create a Java project first. So you can see in this option like create a Java project from the left side of your Eclipse screen. Click on this, you will see a new Java project pop up. So we need to specify a project name here. So I will write for now next millionaire programmer as the project name. Okay, so and all other options, so let it be the default option for the first time. So click on the finish. Well, so we have created our project here inside the Eclipse. So if you expand the project, you can see there are two sections. One is JRE system library, another one is the source folder. The name will be SRC. So if you expand the JRE library, you can see all those Java library will be available here, and source folder, is the folder where we can create our program. So inside the source folder I have a package, but let me create a new package for you so that you can learn how to create a package also. Package is nothing but a folder structure inside source folder. So just select the source folder, right click on new, click on package name. So you have to select the package here. So you can see new Java package section is open. So you have to specify a package name here. So you will know in detail in my other sections what is a package, how to develop a package. I will make a detailed video on that later. So for now let us write, this is the package name, next millionaire programmer.now. So click on finish. So I have developed a package. You can always create a program without a package name also directly inside the source folder, but I recommend you to create a package for better organizing your all programs. So right click on this package name, click on new, click on class. So now this is a new Java class pop-up. Here we can specify what's the class name we want to keep. So let us keep the class name as hello world. Okay, so click on finish. So this is the Java class got created. So we need to write a main method here. So the syntax and the statement is public static void main, and inside this string args. Okay, so main method is the method inside a class from where the execution of the program start. So inside main method we need to write our programming statements. Like I'll just write system dot out dot print ln here hello world, and the statement will end with a semicolon, and we'll save this program. Always remember each statement of code should end with a semicolon. So this is the very fast program we have developed. Okay, just have a look before we run this. So we have a package name displayed here. This is not mandatory. Once again I am just remind you, like line number 3 is a class. So you can see the syntax like public class hello world. So inside this class we have a main method, and inside the main method we have a println statement. So I have written like system dot out dot println, and here is the statement that I would like to print. So if I will run it in the console, you can see hello world written. So this is the output of this program. You can change like whatever you like. Hello world, I am happy today. Okay, so I will save it. So if you click run, you can see in the console hello world, I am happy today. You can write multiple statement also. Hello world, today is a good day. So I'll just print it. You can see two statement will be printed. Hey, here you go. In the console you can see hello world, I am happy today. Another one is hello world, today is a good day. So welcome, you have learned your first Java program.